Hi, my name is Nana. Today we'll be using our Beauty Element Destiny Brazilian wig in our 34 natural. So now we'll be lighting up our one side of the wig. To achieve this look, we'll be bleaching it 40, using our 40 developer, our powder, just to lighten the wig. Then we'll add in our color. Stay tuned for the color. Now we're done bleaching. Now we're gonna let it process. We're gonna give it 10 minutes and then we'll come back and check on it. We're all done. We're lightening the hair. Now we're about to add color. Today's the next day, and we're about to style. This is the color we have. Stay tuned. So now we're about to apply the wig. This wig is kind of tight. Now we're gonna cut the lace. Now that we're done cutting the lace, we're about to start with styling. First, I will cut the ends and do a couple layers, and we'll be done.